Wanting to use Cashapp in Europe but running into brick walls? Let me show you a workaround. First, you'll need a VPN. Search for reputable VPN providers online. Look for providers with servers in the US and positive user reviews. Choose a provider that suits your needs and budget. Download and install the VPN app on your phone. Open the VPN app and connect to a US server. This will make it appear as though you are accessing the internet from the United States. Now, go to your phone settings, find the Cashapp, and clear its cache and data. This will reset the app and remove any location-specific information. Open the Cashapp and sign up. You'll need a US phone number. Use a service like Google Voice to get one. You'll also need a US address. You can use a temporary address generator for this step. Finally, link a US bank account or debit card if possible for full functionality. Test the app by sending a small amount to a trusted friend to ensure everything is working correctly.